Okay, this is the Harley Benton single P90 double cut with the new Kent Armstrong P10R reverse wound coil fitted. It has, let me show you, that's them, brand new high quality American CTS brass pots, 3/8 bore instead of the 8mm metric ones. I had to hone out the woodwork to take the oversized items. Smart tone and volume caps on top. Talking about caps, it's got a high quality 15 nanofarad excuse me, 15 nanofarad capacitor in there as well, and a high quality jack socket. All the wirings on the picture I showed you, and there's an actual written wiring diagram that I've made enclosed inside the old pickup box. These are dog-eared P90s. As you can see, they've got ears on the side. The downside with these is they have no means of height adjustment, unlike soap bar pickups or any other sort of humbuck or single coils, which are mounted on springs and go up and down on long screws. These have no means of adjustment. They're bolted directly to the bodywork. The only way you can do it is by putting spacers underneath the screw holes, which I've done. I've got some nice nitrile black O-rings underneath there to lift it just enough to bring it nearer the string, because they were massive. You could have limbo danced underneath those strings. They were so far away and the signal was so weak it was useless. I had to do something with it, otherwise that just wasn't usable. You can get spacer bars. They're not easy to find, but I do know an outlet has them, but they are $7.50 each, and you might need a couple to build them up, plus postage. Anyway, this is what I've done with the nitrile washers. So I've tuned all the individual screw heads you can see on there underneath each string. They are height adjustable as well, so I've sorted them out as well. Brian, you'll have to do a setup on this. The intonation is a bit out. The tuners, I don't know if he's having the tuners changed or not. They're pretty rubbish. But when it's in tune, it actually sounds quite good for certain sort of stuff. I'll just have a little bash on it and see what you think.